EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martinger with your outlook for July 15th, 2019. For your Monday, we're expecting mostly sunny skies across the region today. Today's actually going to be the nicest day of this week in terms of comfort level, where we're going to have humidity on the lower side, temperatures kind of near average. That will not be the case the rest of the week. I think as from a humidity standpoint, we're going to have it straight through the weekend. Beginning on Tuesday, and we'll have temperatures several times that are going to be 90 or above going through the week. We might not have might have a one-day break in there where we're not dealing with 90-degree temperatures at some point this week, and it looks like that might be as we get to Thursday. But we'll not going to dismiss that just yet entirely, especially for areas south and east. This might be a straight through the week type thing beginning on Tuesday, especially down here by Philadelphia and points south and east. This is the remnants of Barry, what was once actually made a hurricane status before landfall, is now sitting over northern Arkansas by later this afternoon, still bringing some rain up into those regions. Now, we're not going to get Barry directly. Okay, this is going to end up merging with a cold front, and when the cold front comes through on Thursday, we'll have the opportunity for some enhanced rainfall with that, so the rain might be a little bit more intense than it would normally be because of this kind of merging with the front. So it's going to give a little bit more of a tropical moisture feel to it. The precipitable water content in the atmosphere will be a little bit higher, so hopefully we're not dealing with what we had last Thursday. If you remember, we had some areas that had some flooding. And hopefully we're not dealing with that. We'll get into specifics of that as we move throughout the week. It's a little bit too early yet to jump on that bandwagon just yet. But it does look like mostly sunny today within the best day of the week, the pick of the week as far as comfort level. And then Tuesday, we're going to have temperatures increase quite a bit. We're going to get 90 or above in a lot of locations. We're also going to have an increase in the humidity as winds turn to the southwest. As we get into the overnight, there could be some areas that get some showers out here in western PA. I wouldn't be surprised if one of those showers or a few of those showers sneak into parts of central PA or maybe even northeast PA as this moves out. But for a large part, most areas are going to remain dry here on Tuesday and again Tuesday night. And then we get into Wednesday. The global models are not really suggesting anything except for the far north. This is actually a warm front. Here's the remnants of Barry now merging with this cold front off to the north, or at least in process of doing that. So with that cold front off to the north, you're going to have some scattered showers and perhaps thunderstorms. Now, again, global models are keeping it just up here in the northern part of the region, and that's it. But the latest NAM that ran this evening is now bringing us down a little bit further south. So scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible late in the day. This is actually looking at 8 p.m. on Wednesday, so it takes a while for this to get in here. Going back to 5 p.m., this is what it looked like. Okay, so it gets in very late in the day. So here is 8 p.m. on the NAM. Here's 11. Here is 2 a.m. You can see it goes right through our region during the overnight hours. Okay, so mostly in the overnight hours, not so much in the evening until you get to the mid to late evening, especially in here in central Pennsylvania, which you can see here. Okay, so if that's correct and the NAM is correct, we'll have a little bit more activity than what's shown right here on Wednesday night. Okay, once we get into Thursday, the cold front is moving eastward. This is still Barry's remnants kind of merging with this, but it's going to come through pretty much just as a cold front with enhanced rainfall on that front, and that's what it's shown here later in the day on Thursday. So it starts off kind of, I don't want to say partly cloudy, maybe variably cloudy we'll call it, so a mixture of mostly cloudy and partly cloudy here on Thursday ahead of it, and then you have the scattered showers and thunderstorms later in the day come through. So both Tuesday and Wednesday are kind of 90 or above for many locations, and then Thursday, because of this variable cloud situation and this the remnant rains from Barry merging with the cold front coming through, bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms, you're likely stuck in the mid to upper 80s for highs here on Thursday in most locations. And again, if you hold off a little bit further south and east and you get a little bit more clearing, you can see where you get another day at 90 or above. And then if that's the case, they're going to be 90 straight through the weekend, because if we get to Friday, we are partly cloudy and very hot temperatures are going to move in for the next couple of days after that. For the Friday through Sunday period, it looks like is going to be actually very hot with temperatures in the low to mid 90s, and down here in southeast PA, I wouldn't be surprised to see some upper 90s by the time we get to Saturday of next week. So very hot go at it as we get into approaching next weekend. And looks like there's an isolated thunderstorm chance either Saturday or Sunday, or maybe both, but I think most of the time it's going to be dry during that period. Here's a look at this was a look at Saturday right here, and you see just maybe some isolated stuff here late in the day, just for a few spots. Not overall. It looks like it's going to be dry, and same thing here on Sunday, but it looks like it's dry here on the latest run of the operational guidance. So, for the most part, we are dry until we have the chance overnight here on, or late in the day or overnight Wednesday night this week, and then again late Thursday evening with scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through. We're going to watch that for perhaps some enhanced rainfall with the remnants of Barry merging with that cold front. So it might enhance some of the rainfall rates. We'll wait and see how that plays out once the NAM gets in range. It's still not quite there yet to really do anything more than speculate from a synoptic standpoint, but we will, of course, follow this throughout the week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for July 15th, 2019. Have a great Monday.